Hi guys, today we're diving into the world of crazy sugary coffees where ordinary drinks don't exist and it's all about these crazy concoctions of coffee drinks that are full of syrups, sugars, creams. It always starts with a crazy amount of caramel drizzle in the cup. So let's go.
So I've been seeing these coffee drinks everywhere and where they're full of extra additives. So I wanted to try something simple while looking at a few of them together. So I started with grabbing my favorite jar, but also you could use whichever cup you're wanting. Added some ice, and we're gonna get into a few of
There
them
is just
together.
so much that goes into them.
For example, here we have this drink, and it's starting with 20 liquid cane sugar. Then you got your mocha swirls. It's 4 mocha swirls. Then the caramel, there's 8 caramel swirls. And it doesn't even end there. We have 12 banana pump syrup, 2 Splendas. Then comes in all the creamers. We haven't even gotten to the coffee part. We have 4 cream, 1 milk, 1 skim, oat, and almond milk. Those are all milk and cream added to a decaf coffee. So here I'm just adding a tablespoon of brown sugar to my cup that I'm going to brew my espresso over. Let's watch this together. So this is for a cold brew, and it's starting with their caramel, I believe, the caramel swirl, and then there's like vanilla. There's vanilla, it's French vanilla. Then you've got 31 sugars and 4 cream and a little bit of coffee at the end, and it doesn't even mix at the bottom.
And sometimes there's barely any coffee in the menu.
After pouring 12 pumps of sugar into the iced coffee order, she then added 15 pumps of caramel syrup before submerging it all in almond milk. But when it was finally time to put in the portion of coffee, you won't believe how much she put in this drink. When this woman
But this right here is all you basically need. And sometimes, honestly, I would rather keep it this simple. Yum.